Can you fix a water-damaged laptop? In this video, we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have faced at some point: a water-damaged laptop. Whether you've spilled coffee on your keyboard, dropped your laptop in the sink, or left it out in the rain, water damage can be a real nightmare. But can you actually fix a water-damaged laptop? We'll take a closer look at the steps you can take to try and rescue your device. From immediately turning it off and disconnecting the power source, to cleaning and drying the components and potentially replacing damaged parts. From corrosion to short circuits, we'll explore the common issues that can arise from water damage and what you can do to prevent them. So can you fix a water-damaged laptop? Watch to find out. Today, I'm taking on the challenge of fixing a water-damaged laptop. Let's see if I can bring it back to life. Unfortunately, water damage is a pretty common issue that many laptop owners face. And if you're watching this video, chances are you or someone you know has experienced it firsthand. Whether it's a spilled drink, a drop in the pool, or even a burst pipe, water damage can be devastating, especially if you rely on your laptop for work or school. One of the most common scenarios that lead to water damage is accidental spills. We've all been there. You're working on a project, and suddenly your coffee or soda tips over, pouring all over your keyboard. Another scenario is exposure to humid or wet environments. If you live in a coastal area or somewhere with high humidity, moisture can seep into your laptop's crevices, causing corrosion and damage over time. Then there are the more extreme cases, like dropping your laptop in the pool or leaving it out in the rain. Whatever the scenario, the consequences of water damage can be severe, from corrosion and short circuits to complete system failure. If you're lucky, you might be able to salvage your data, but in many cases, water damage can result in total data loss. And even if you do manage to recover your files, there's no guarantee your laptop will ever be the same again. That's why it's essential to act fast when dealing with water damage. The sooner you respond, the better your chances of saving your laptop. So, what do you do if your laptop gets wet? First things first, turn it off immediately. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to prevent any short circuits that could cause further damage. Next, unplug it from the power source and remove any batteries or accessory cables. I repeat, do not try to turn it back on to see if it still works. This is a crucial mistake that can make things much worse. Instead, focus on drying it out as quickly as possible. You can use desiccants like silica gel packets, uncooked rice, or even cat litter to absorb the moisture. Just be sure to seal your laptop in an airtight container with the desiccant to speed up the evaporation process. When assessing the damage, look for signs of corrosion, rust, or mineral buildup. Check the ports, vents, and keyboard for any signs of water ingress. If you're still unsure, it's always best to consult a professional. Remember, it's better to err on the side of caution when dealing with water damage. Now that we've covered the do's and don'ts, let's dive into the actual repair process. One of the most effective methods for fixing a water-damaged laptop is to use a combination of cleaning and repair techniques. Start by disassembling your laptop, taking care to ground yourself to prevent static electricity damage. Use compressed air and a soft bristled brush to gently remove any debris or corrosion. For more stubborn corrosion, you can use a solution like baking soda and water or white vinegar to create a paste. Apply the paste to the affected area and let it sit for a few hours before rinsing it off with distilled water. Another critical step is to replace any damaged components, like the keyboard, hard drive, or RAM. If you're not comfortable with the repair process, it's always best to consult a professional. Remember, the key to successful repair is patience, attention to detail, and the right techniques. With the right approach, you can potentially bring your water-damaged laptop back to life. In summary, if your laptop gets wet, act fast, turn it off, and focus on drying it out. Avoid trying to turn it back on, and consult a professional if you're unsure about the repair process. With the right techniques and a bit of patience, you can potentially fix a water-damaged laptop. If you've ever had to deal with a water-damaged laptop, share your experience with me in the comments below. What worked for you and what didn't? And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more laptop-related content, including my next video on essential maintenance tips to help you avoid water damage in the first place. Thanks for watching.